Meet Micah, a student in the Mel Johnson Center, the MEL, which is short for the Media Entertainment Lab. As well as being a university facility, the MEL is also home to Northwestern Media, a national network that operates 16 media brands on 121 signals across 12 states. This sets UNW apart from other media programs in the state of Minnesota. Micah, tell us more.
Thanks, Alex. I grew up homeschooled and then went to a Christian high school. So I knew that I wanted to continue being in a Christian environment for the rest of my education. University of Northwestern was always one of my top options as a student. The MEL, our campus media center, is one of the places that feels like it has its own unique community. We're able to challenge each other while also building each other up. Every year, we have the annual 516 Film Festival, where we get to submit films and have a friendly competition for some of the awards. But what's most fun is seeing each other's work on the big screen, shown in front of over 1,000 people. The professors here have given us many resources to work with, including themselves. They are all industry professionals who are teaching us how to tell stories and use film and video equipment, which we have access to rent here for free. This year, I'm one of the student leaders in our film workshop, a space where we as media students get to create and collaborate on small projects and larger films. One thing that sets us apart from other media programs is that we are very well connected with Northwestern Media and 98.5 KTIS, one of the top radio stations in the Twin Cities. And it's right upstairs. Our collaboration with them has given many students, including myself, internships in radio and video, some even leading to full-time jobs after graduation. The key to being successful in the media production field is to show up and be willing to help out. That's how we as Christians can spread the gospel, by making connections with the people we work with. Well, that's all for me. I got a trip to Italy. Actually, how about Mars? Back to you, Alex.
Thank you, Micah, for sharing. It is so cool that you were able to use your spiritual gifts to make a kingdom impact through media production. The 516 Film Festival is a campus-wide event at Northwestern that students do not want to miss. Thanks again.